Alright, on today's episode of Why Winter's a Pain in My Friggin' Hole, you see a snowblower sitting here, one wheel on it, sitting up on blocks. The other wheel's not on it. Why is the other wheel not on it? Because it's sitting there. The chain for that wheel is over here. And right here, you see the reason why it's not on the tire. It fell off yesterday. Now, it's not the first time I've had to repair this chain. I've done it a number of times. Same on the other wheel. Let's see. Here, and here, and here, and here, here, and here, and here, and here, and here. So there's what I'm going to fix it with. There you can see what it cost. The title of the video is $3 snowblower tire chain repair. It only actually cost me $2.75, but I'm not going to argue. Now, there's what I'm using. Let's see, I've got one here, here, and here, and I've got some on the other wheel that's on the machine. I had been using these. You can see there's a lot of them on here. But these cost almost twice what these do. And I'm cheap and broke, so I'm going with them. And I figure, well, here, and you can kind of sort of almost kind of a little bit watching them move. To get this stupid stand set up. Alright. Gloves on because my fingers are cold. It's cold out here. That's my breath. See that steam? That was my breath. Now I need a kniffy. We have a kniffy. See? Use that for open this. Like so. Okay. Set that there. Oh, these gloves were wet yesterday and now they're just making my hands cold. That's not cool. Okay. Set this here. Now I want to put this on the same direction as the other one, so I want the threaded side up here. Do that like so. Stuff that pin through. And it's going to be argumentative. It's not going to do what I want it to do. Alright. I know my hands are in the way, you can't really see what I'm doing. Not much I can do with that. Tighten that one up. Give it just a little twist with the pliers. Okay, that one's done. And then do the same thing with this one. Thread it side up. Oh, come on. No. No, you're doing it wrong, dummy. There you go. Okay. That was not very exciting. Yeah, they're on there now. The reason I particular on what direction I put them in is because I want that facing away from the tire. Same like this one, and this one, and this one. I don't want them biting into the tire. And I don't think I'm going to bother filming the process of putting the chain on the tire because it's a pain in the hole and I'm going to swear a lot. I'll turn the camera back on with the chains on. Alright. There we have it. All fixed up and mounted on and ready for the next go round. They're kind of a pain in the hole to put on the tire, because these connectors are also the tensioners, and it kind of sucks. It's actually about a two-person job, and trying to do it by yourself, not a whole lot of fun. And actually this time I had to let the air out of the tire to have enough slack to get it on there. Which means next time a link breaks, I'm going to have to cut a longer piece of chain to put in it. Kind of like I've done, have I done that on this tire? Kind of like I've had to do here and here already. Both of these ones, when they broke off too short, so I had to put longer pieces in. I've had to do that on the other wheel as well. Let's see here. Some light on the situation. You can see there's one there. And there's another one over there. I've had to add new chain into that one too. Same reason. Links break off too short. Alright. So, the wheel. 3 bolts to hold it in. And socket and ratchet. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, so the wheel's back on. You can see my 2 repairs there. Let me tell you, that triangle hub, whoever invented that, kiss my ass. That sucks. I mean, it works, but trying to get the wheel on there, line those bolts up, and get them started. Yeah, that sucks. Anyway, the repair's done. This year I think I'm going to put a new motor on this. Mostly because, I mean, the thing's 45 years old. It's only a 4 horsepower motor to begin with, but that's where head bolts are supposed to go. Kind of like those ones there. Those ones are broken off. I don't know if you can see that down in there or not. Yeah, you can see the end of that one. And yeah, there's the end of that one. And every time I start the thing, I've got exhaust coming pop, pop, pop up through here. And it just hasn't got the power it should have. Not for the amount of snow we get around here. I broke the pull cord again. But it's got electric start. I'm not going to bother fixing the pull cord just so I can take the motor off this year. See if I can't get a 6 or 7 horse stick on there. It's only a 24-inch snowblower. 6 or 7 horse should be fine. Actually, these come with up to a 7 horse, so between a 4 and a 7. So 7 should do just fine on it. Shouldn't have to worry about burning anything out or breaking anything, or I hope. Anyway, there. Snowblower tire chain repair is done.